Um, Hello guys, good day. Um, I know you're coming across this is your first time seeing me share. Well, if you've been checking my post, I've been sharing ideas. For quick one, I'm going to do a whole lot of more introduction as regards why I'm doing this. Not important, but it's just a decision I've taken to share, to be open about more about the trading side of things. So you guys are gonna be seeing more of that on this channel. I've been trading for a very long time, but it's just something I do behind the scenes for a while now. I just want to be more open so you can see how I code because I've been seeing ideas that I take for granted. People use them and they make money, back to back like last week. They on gold. Ideas I've just been sharing for free and then helping a whole lot of people make money more than myself that have the ideas. The people that believe it, so I'm just thinking, why don't I share more of it? Um, so, my, yeah, so back on this, today, value, I just want to speak about psychological levels and how they can help you uh, identify support and resistance, especially in rare situations where we have all-time highs, where there are no point of reference. Like example is gold currently. Let's go to the weekly. As you can see, gold is in a very bullish trend, right? And like this is the highest it has been. Like this is the highest it has been. It has never been at this price, 3,653. Like is you could see it's just been ranging. And this is a different market condition we are currently compared to before now. Ever in history of gold, ever in history of gold, like this is the first time it's reaching this height. So how do you identify support and resistance, right? That's what is even prompting me to do this video. Like a whole lot of other people, I don't know how they do theirs, so I just want to share my own idea how I do it, and maybe it might be helpful to you, right? Especially if you're a beginner, not an expert person in the concept. Psychological levels, you could see them all lined up on my screen. I use them a lot. It makes my trading easy to be able to just identify support and resistance. Well, before now, if we go like you can see former history, but right now there's no history of what you can identify as was a resistance or support so that you can make a decision. So that's where psychological levels I think will help you. So let's head right on to it. I wanna today is 9th September, right? So let's analyze the chart live together so you guys see how I do it. So these are past history. Don't mind this. Um, let's go down to the daily. As you can see, for how many days gold has been bullish with no point of reference. Like you could see how many days, like it's just bullish, bro. Anything you do, it just buys. So how do you identify support and resistance where it hasn't created any before, and so that you can make a decision? It's very very simple. All I'm gonna do, the last psychological level majorly here is 3,600 here, right? So psychological levels, I do my factor of 100 pip, a factor of 100, then break it down as the case may be. So here's what I'm saying. So let's go. After 3600, the next psychological level is 3700, obviously. So I'm not gonna go down deep on like what they are. If you guys wanna know more what psychological levels are, just let me know in the comment section. And I'm gonna talk more about that. if you guys don't know, you need to go depth or basic for psychological level fast. So for those who don't know, you see approaching my psychological level 700. So all I'm just gonna do is just if you measure from here to here, you see is a 100 feet distance, right? 100 thereabout. So if I am to next off on the top of my head, next psychological level, I know this is the major psychological level, right? This one is a major. Every other one that is gonna be in between is a sub psychological level, which me I break down according to I just break down in bits of 25. Sometimes I even have it like see I get here's what I mean. Um So I've gotten my major psychological level from the daily, right? But when I come to the 4 hour, let me delete this. When I come to the 4 hour, you'll see that the distance is is a whole lot of space from 3600 to 700, and you can make a lot of whole money from just where it is right now to here. So what do I do in this kind of situation? This way, I would find the factor of the next obvious psychological level, even without having to split it, 3600. The half of it is 3 uh 500. No, 3600. 3625 or 650 will be the next half of it, right? 3650, right? So that's the next half of this 607. What do you see there? At this here, this is where this reaction is happening. You see, you are finding yourself in support an automatic, simple support and resistance. Anyone, this one right now is doing a resistance, but the moment you break it, which it has done, it will automatically just become a support and move. That's how I've been hopping on gold like since last week. Like I've just been getting buys on buys. It's because I deleted some of my history. You guys, when you go down to my site, I've just been using this simple technique to catch gold buys easily, week on week without stress. And people have been making a whole lot of money from our community more than me self than even sharing. So that's what I'm sharing. This might be helpful to someone out there trying to that doesn't know, you asking yourself, how do you identify support and resistance? This is a simple way to go about it without stressing. So let's go further. I'm on 4 hour time frame, right? So what I do from here to here, I divide it in factor of 25. What's the next? What's the half of 20? 50 is 25, right? So I just go 3 6. 25 is my next mini psych level because we just keep going breaking it down as we go to lower time frame because I get my entries in 15 minutes, 5 minutes, so I really need it to be here, and that's how I used to get my sniper entry. Little you get your entries at good price. If it doesn't go, you go simple and short. So the next psychological level is a factor of this, remember. So all I need to do is divide 50 by 2 and I have 3,625, right? Um, 3,625, yeah. And if we go down, you see a reaction definitely happened there. If we go down, um, so let's go for you to see. Oh well, we just broke it yesterday without Messi, but something happened. So right now, where this reaction is currently happening, I'm curious to know what's up there because right now, only God knows what's gonna happen next week. Oh, so well, it's on this strong bullish trend, but everybody's buying with caution. So I give you, I'm on a buy on this trade already. I sent it to our Telegram to others in profits, but right now we gonna be having a little bit of trust. So it's tricky right now. It's tricky. So here is rough. Here is where I do my rough work. So I'm just trying to. How did I arrive at this? This is my speculation. I shared it on my Facebook, to my ex, everywhere, YouTube, trying the Telegram. This is coming for a third touch. I'm just gonna be this coming for a re-entry right now. Yeah, for those that are just coming, there's a possible entry here again for those who were not privileged. Because why? This is major psychological level 3650, and we have a major bullish move here. I could see the price action. Here is just coming for a retest. Hopefully, let's see the reaction that happens there, right? So, uh, back to what I was sharing with you guys. Let's do it live and arrive to how I got here, how I got to this decision. Is what I want to share with you guys. You see, yesterday I caught it by on gold and it went easy, but I didn't say this because I just I didn't take it serious like that. You see, but it was easy. Why did I catch this buy? Like same thing that's about to happen here. Like if you divide this psychological level above 3600, in fact, and 3625, the half of it is 3612.50. And look at what happened there. Price broke and he came back for a retest. And this guy already signified a bullish move. He just came back to test it. And when he did, I saw this engulfing and I entered. And I am my stop loss just below the site level. You see how tight the stop loss is. Oh, we up. People who have been holding yesterday, they still get in profit, but we just come here with it. We go few pips, we don't run much. 1, 2, 3, and we get, and we're about to do the same thing today again. But today is tricky. Today is kind of tricky. Let's see what happens. So I'm seeing this. I'm not liking this pattern seeing here, bro. But let's see. Let's see how he holds water. Our stop loss is safe at least before it goes out because we got our entry from here. So while it's doing its thing, I'm currently active on this trade. My guys too that hop on this are currently active on this trade as well. So yeah. So this was the previous time, right? So let's see. So why am I still bullish? If you ask me, why am I still bullish in this trade? 360. This guy is in about that. So before that, this guy offered me where is this guy? This guy, yeah, this price action happened. If you look at it, this engulfing on 3650. This is giving us signal of a bullish momentum still because it's just the same thing. Like let's look at it. But price might change. Everybody's anticipating that to hold, except it happens. And so higher high, higher low, higher high. It's obvious that we're looking for a below, and so we continue up to the upside. And this is the rationale for this entry right now. This is the rationale for this entry. This is what's happening. Right, right. So this is the an on-trend, obviously. And when price get another additional conference, let's look at it together. This guy, when he came, seeing the mini engulfing, the mini on top this level somehow. So what is this guy doing? So like it, you know, still forming me. And gold, I'm bullish on gold, but I'm expecting a retracement on the bullish. This is a good price. I want to enter I might even enter again in this trade. I'm just skeptical about this guy yet. I'll be more comfortable right now when it shows me where it's going finally. Like right here is a very good price to buy when it goes, breaks, and goes. You could use the only thing, use the only resistance holding our trade, right? But let's see how it plays out. When I drill down to 15 minutes, I'm seeing, I'm still seeing a bullish momentum here on 3600, 3650 psychological level. So you see, this guy, this location for those who are not. So what would I do in a typical situation? Say I was spending time. Um, let's see on this guy, 3650. I'll just look for reactions around there. I'm just looking for reactions around this level to buy right now. So let's see how it goes. So if we wanna buy, we'll just be looking at. We are hoping for we are hoping for a replacement here, right? So we won't just buy. We'll look what's pricing around this level. This whole place you see is a buy zone. Is a buy zone. Except it breaks and goes otherwise, I'm still bullish. But anything can still happen. I don't know. It's just speculation. But let's see how price reacts around this level. Yeah. So let me know, guys, if you guys are interested. I should share more of this kind of video, share with you guys ideas on like how my thought process while trading. It's something I do, but it's just been there, and I just realized a whole lot of people got interested in it. They want to make money, so why not share? Uh, wow, I'm looking at reactions around that level. I'm gonna, I'll buy this if it gives me what I'm looking for, man. I'll buy around this level. I'll buy, guys. This is feeling like this is feeling like I like what's happening here. So let me get let me log into the uh yeah, I haven't logged into YouTube. Let me share. I'm looking to buy at 3650, but I'm not just gonna buy just yet because what I'm looking to see reaction around that level here. That's why I marked it. This guy. That's why I marked it. And for those that were not on the first line, is an opportunity. Oh wow, I like what's happening there. Let's just wait for the 5 minutes close and see what it gives us there. Then buy around that level. It's looking good. This is just a bullish momentum. It just came to the test and it's moving. So except for this guy, which uh, look at it from 4 hours. How many hours in 4 hour close? Still got like 2 hours. So I'm liking it. I'm liking what I'm seeing. In 3700, yeah, 3650. Yeah, let me. So let's go to 5 minutes. I'm just looking to buy here though. So, but I'm not just gonna buy yet. We'll wait, see what price is saying around that level. Right. So that's one of the things. You have a level you're expecting price to come. You allow price to you, then you don't just enter. You just wait. Then if I'm to do my trend line, sometimes I use trend line. Not every time. Whoa, this is looking good, bro. Guys, please hold me. Let me not go crazy on this trade. This is looking good. I sometimes use trend line, but not always. But I use it. It works, especially first touch, second touch, third touch is a rule that goes so. let's see how it goes. Um, yeah, so I'm liking the reaction around there, but not just yet. Let's be chill, let's be calm. Like, we still go, let's see what happens around that level. Right. So while I'm looking, I want to see what's happening with the DXY. Yo, jeez, I don't like what I'm seeing on DXY. It's like DXY is about gaining strength. Like, what's happening on your USD, USD is about is gaining strength. USD is gaining strength. Oh wow, oh wow. I'm seeing a sell on Euro USD. I'm seeing a sell on Euro USD. Wow, it's a beautiful setup. Look at the place to enter this trade, this markup, and it's still good. But I don't like banking on. I don't like banking on the USD strength. This minute is there, that minute is there. It's when I'm not liquid, guys. That's where I want to play safe. That's when I come to currency pairs. Right? So if I don't go leverage, I just. But my favorite pair are gold. Is gold specifically. That's my favorite pair to trade for. Spend it on some. I'm not liquid. Oh wow. Sorry. I'm hearing on cloud. Yeah. Yo, 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 yo. 10 to 5 minutes. Oh wow. Oh wow. If you are seeing this thing, gold is about buying. Gold is about buying. Gold is about buying. So we're going to hop on this thing. If this thing closes, damn bro. Let me uh let me share this to the community. I gotta do this place up. Let me share this to trade idea. I just do this double GFX community. So these are community guys you can join. Trade idea on ZAUUSD buy SL targets target TP. I don't like putting TPs, but these days people follow my trade, so I gotta give them. Yeah, so damn bro, yo, can you see what's happening? Damn, gold is about buying. Gold is buying 3650. So this is the damn. I'm buying gold, bro. So this is the setup. Once this closes like this, we don't even wait. We just go. Our stop loss is just gonna be below this guy, and for us to set our stop loss, so we're gonna go till I'm gonna 1 to 3 save food. Where about that later? Then oh wow, oh wow, 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 wow. I like this. So I need to remove what I know. I need to remove this. Right. Then another confluence again that I use. Let's look at this feed level. Let's go to this guy. Let's use this guy. You see another confluence now why my bias on go. Somehow where this is about happening is around almost around. Look at the 50% retracement level. Right. it's around that zone. So it's around that zone. So that's one another confluence again for why we're going to be buying on this. Hey, it's looking good. Our stop loss now is just to look for a safe stop loss, right? So what I'm gonna do is let me scale down. Let me buy first. Let me buy. I'm buying. I'm buying gold 0.01. Da, 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 da. Um, damn, damn. Gold. Yeah, add gold. Let's go. Let's go. Woo, it's looking good. We've got our 5 minutes confirmation. What is our 15 minutes saying? Well, sometimes the way gold is bullish, you don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait. I do not want to wait. I buy. I bought. Well, I stop loss. I don't know. Let's see. Um, so I'm in. I'm in, guys. I'm in. Look at that. See, this is my account. I just funded. This is my account. I just funded. 100k. I got 100% bonus with my recommended broker. So I'm like having 200k. So I'm going to be giving you guys even updates on how this account is a new account I just funded. So yeah, I'm just gonna taking you guys along how I'm going to grow it. Right. So this is our first entry on this particular account. So next thing I'm worried about is finding a safe stop loss. But finding a safe stop loss, right? So how I set my stop loss, just the same way I use psychological level. Uh the safe stop loss right now. Okay. The next previous 3,650. If I add 25 to that, if I add 25 to that, 650. Uh, let me add um, six. If I add 25 to 50, I have 3,000. 675, right? Enter using a psychological level. The major guy are in 3,600. If I want to still break this down, like I'll break it in factor of 12. So in 50, half of 25 is 12, 12.5. 12.5, I add it. Sometimes my head is overloaded. So you just go to your calculator, simple. You don't have to stress yourself, right? In case your head is so. This is the price, 3,600, or just like 3,650, 3,650. If I just add 12.5 to it, 12.5 pips, whatever you call it, 3,662.5, right? So I just see, I want to see what's happening there. So I get 3,662.5, right? So I'm breaking down my psychological levels into beats, right? Our trade is about going up. Bro, I need to share this. But wait, my head is I'm juggling a whole lot of things at the same time. My stop loss is safe, right? That's what I want to get correctly. Because if you don't get a stop loss right, a little turbulence will take you out. But our bank is just this guy, bro. Like our stop loss is 3,600. Let me give you space a bit. Oh, my stop loss is just this guy. Damn, gold is moving, gold is moving. Um, 3,000, bro. Like no stop loss. 3,647.693. 3,647.693. Mm, 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 mm. Guys, don't mind me. I'm just getting to know how to use this tool. Do you know? I could just do 3,647.693. So 3,647.693 is our stop loss. You will notice how I'm more worried about, even though I know this is a good trade, right? I'm more worried about how much I'm gonna lose rather than how much I'm gonna make, right? What I'm gonna make is not beyond my, it's not within my control, but I have control of what I can lose, right? So that's my first priority in any trade I enter. It's not about how much I'm gonna make, no matter how much I know you get. I'm worried about the necessity if it goes well. Entry at around 3,652.1. 3,652. 3,652.12. So I'm sharing this with the community. You can join my. Oh shit! It's moving. Our TP1 will be around 3,661.825. 3,661. Well, I'm going to update that later. Control A, Control C. Gold is buying, gold is buying, gold is buying. I'm gonna publish this idea. Oh, I'm recording this video. How can I put it? Let me share it from my phone. Let me share it from my phone. Uh, Let me share with my community because when I eat, my community eats. So that's the difference. We're already up in profits. You can see. I didn't want to over leverage the account, but this is a very good setup. But let's see how much this gets us, guys. So that's the thing. I don't hide these things. If you want to learn, just join the community. I'm free account. This the market is big enough for everybody to eat. You know. Let me share with my community first. ASAP is moving. Oh, it's moving. We're going to eat some gold this week. Oh shit. This is moving. I like getting at a good price. And if you get it at 3,650, it's a very good price to have your entries, right? So it's a very good price to have your entries. That's why I don't want you to leave there before the other guys get. That's why I'm feeling somehow. I want everybody to work on this. Um, Publish my idea. Hey, who do I publish first? Let's go. Um, so I just share this. Select copy. So I call my community believers. We are believers gang. Believers gang. You want to join the believers gang? You eat with us, right? This is another setup. I called one. Remember, I called one. Yeah, I'm already on one in the morning. This is just an early entry to the first one. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Gold is buying. This is a very beautiful setup. Oh Jesus, people are gonna make a whole lot of money from this. This is looking very very beautiful. This is very beautiful. Like if you hop on this, you're going to eat. You're going to eat, except you're not a believer. Hmm. That's why we call my gang believers gang. Not everybody. Some people, it's not a must for you to agree with what I say. Jesus. I'm on my oh. Mm. If you hop on this, you're going to eat. You're going to eat. Let me drop it to a Discord community. The entry. Sorry guys, I'm just updating the community. Yeah, good. It's looking very good. We're already gone, guys. Woo! Looking good. But might come back for a replacement. But hopefully, I don't think we are coming for a replacement. Uh-huh. Let me share it across everywhere. Across everywhere. Everybody. If you are seeing this, buy gold. If you are seeing this, buy gold. This is 9th September. I'm going to come back on this video and we are going to review the same trade I took live here, how it went. Right? You guys are going to see how it plays out. And you know that this simple thing I'm teaching you, it's not that this is what people charge, I don't know, but it's simplified. So you see how I was able to identify support and resistance so I could make a decision just using psychological levels, especially at a place in gold where it's just all-time highs, where there are no much references, right? So yeah, enjoy, enjoy. You guys are. Let me know in the comment section if you guys want to see more of this. Me sharing my ideas on how I do things because I want to take you guys on my journey. We're going to be making a whole lot from this, so you better join the believers gang before I take off. So everybody knows. You guys better join the believers gang before we take off because before next time you might be seeing this, you have to pay me before I teach you this one. Telling you for free. I'm going to charge you. So just use this free knowledge. I just want to add value from what I mean. Like help someone out there, beginner. You know, that's why I'm doing this. It's not because of anything. Me now like this, whether I share it or I don't share it, I'm already eating. We are looking very good already. You see. So so oh I didn't it, but let's go. It is cool. Uh, so this is guys. I know how to do. Yeah. So let me know if you guys want to see more of this kind of content on my page. I've been keeping silent on it, but I think I should be helping people more right now. Right? I have the time. I can help you guys come with me if you want to. Let me know. Let me know in the comments. Right? So this is my Telegram. I'll show you guys my Telegram comment. Actually, it's me and my younger brother, so it's not just me and team of believers. So come and eat with us. This market is big enough for everybody to eat. Hey, I haven't published this trade again. Yeah, yeah.